Hey everybody! Thanks for taking the time to check out Guarantee's website, and specifically this video. My name is Jason Fairchild, and today we're going to go over this 2018 Jayco Hummingbird. It's a 16 FD. We're going to start off on the inside and we'll finish off going over the exterior. Come with me. As you can see in the front, we've got a nice sized dinette. Good for 4 people to sit around and eat and have fun. Also makes down into a second sleeping area, and there's good windows on each side. Across from that, we've got a TV, your control area here with your monitor panel, your lights, your awning controls, and your stereo, and this will do DVDs as well. Across from that, we've got our sink with our 2-burner stove, our hood and fan. Some decent storage here up top. And if you take a minute to just notice the wood interior colors, a lot lighter than what we've been seeing in the past. They finally started going to some lighter interiors, which is just really nice for us here in the Pacific Northwest. I'm going to open up the bathroom and let the cameraman walk down there. It's a wet bath, so the toilet is in the same place where you would shower. All that stuff can get wet though. It's not going to hurt it. And then in the far back, we have a nice bed, which is actually kind of private and cozy. Got plenty of space there. You got your convection microwave and your fridge here as well. So that really touches on the main features on the interior here. We're going to go over the exterior features. Follow me outside. So as you can see outside here, we've got a nice storage area under the bed there. And there's a cool extra table that comes with this trailer for using outside. So bonus. Outside speakers here. There's your cable output right here and your 110. If you want to do some TV outside. There's a awning here with a nice LED light strip that runs underneath the awning there at the base. Puts off a nice light. I don't think we can squeeze around there, but we'll show you this trailer is pre-wired for a backup camera. That's what that little black piece of plastic is. We've got a full-size spare tire with a cover on it and a very nice bumper to protect the backside and a place to store your sewer hose. Nice wheels on this as well. So that's the Baja edition. This gives you these bigger wheels and tires. I believe these are 15s. So good tread, bigger tire. Going to give you a better ride if you like to do some of that dry camping and go off the beaten path. We do have some additional storage up front as well. It's not as big as the one in back, but it is something. You can never have enough storage. You've got a place to tie in with a portable solar panel. I really prefer the portable over the hard mounted to your roof. 2 reasons: less money, no holes in your roof. I think they're 2 really good reasons. Electric tongue jack, just super easy for getting on and off the truck. I really love that feature. Real quick, we're going to touch on weight. This trailer's 3,500 pounds fully loaded. Extremely lightweight. We've got some additional storage on the other side. Again, same amount of space as you have on the other side. Potable water fill, city water connection, hot and cold outside shower, black tank flush. You want to clean out your black tank, you can right there. Back of your fridge, really this is just for service technicians. LP exhaust, does get hot, let people know that. You don't want anybody getting burned on that. Water heater here. This is where the 30 amp power cord connects. Your cable TV satellite input right here. And you can see you've got stabilizers on all 4 corners. So that kind of wraps up the back of this. Let's come back up front here. And let me thank you real quick for taking the time to check out Guarantee's website. Again, my name is Jason Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057 if you have any questions or concerns. Hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day.